Remember those foggy late-night drives, when headlights just couldn't cut through the haze, when traditional headlights blurred into chaos in the rainy nights? I always wondered, why can't the off-road lights tear through the darkness like a meteor? Until today, we can finally say, the Oledone Meteor series are here. Firstly, let's talk about the look of the Meteor series. With sleek and stylish lines, combined with a matte finish, it stands out from the vast majority of driving lights on the market, highlighting the high-quality, aesthetic design of the Meteor driving lights. It's not just a lighting tool, but also a piece of art that can elevate the overall style of your vehicle. What's more interesting, Meteor series is also a chameleon. The front rim comes in 3 switchable colors: black, silver, and orange. Want to keep a low profile today? Go with black. Wanna be a tough guy tomorrow? Switch to silver. Heading to the desert, orange instantly gives you the vibe. The quick detached front rims can rapidly change your style in just 3 steps. Pop off, align, and press. Isn't this effortless? On-the-go customization experience just awesome. The Meteor series delivers uncompromising performance without sacrificing power. The 4-inch light produces 4,800 lumens. The 3-inch light reaches 4,000 lumens, and even the compact 3x2-inch light outputs 2,800 lumens. If you're concerned about regulations, rest assured, it has obtained DOTSE certification, ensuring compliance with legal requirements for on-road driving. We also plan to obtain E-Mark certification in the future. Of course, the true test of an off-road light is its ability to withstand extreme conditions. The Meteor series features a durable decast housing, an IP68, IP69K waterproof capability. When our photographers feared water damage while shooting in seawater, the Meteor series surprised us. Its light beam cut through the water like a meteor streaks across the night sky. Even after a long time in seawater, it still kept running flawlessly. So, is the Meteor series all about practicality or style, high performance or stunning looks? The answer is, why not both? Oledone Meteor series driving lights are most anticipated driving lights in 2025. Let's light up the true off-road world together.